Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to build a stereo rack system that is scaled for minifigures for today's Lego Brick tutorial. Let's begin building a set of stereo speakers. Start with a 1x2 brick. I'm going to place a pair of 1x1 bricks with one stud right on top. Then I'm going to lock all that together with a set of 1x2 plates on top of one another, and let's crown that off with a 1x2 flat tile and a 2x3 flat tile. I'm just going to place this right in the center, and we have two stereo speakers. For our stereo rack system, start with a 2x2 plate. I'm going to take a set of 1x1 by 1 2/3 brick with two studs, place them where the studs are facing outwards. I'm going to set down a 1x2 by 1 wall element right there. Then right on top of the bricks with studs, a 1x2 brick, and a downwards 1x2 by 2x2 angler plate. We're going to place this right here. We're going to set this off to the side, take a 2x3 plate, and I'm going to face this off with some tiles with print work. So I'm going to use one that looks like we have a spool of tape. This is going to be our AM/FM stereo, and this is going to be our graphic equalizer, so we're going to have to use our imagination with these. If you have better tiles, you can use those too. And I'm going to take this assembly and I'm going to fix it right to the angular brick. Then I'm going to add some sides to the cabinet, starting on the top with a 2x2 flat tile, and on the sides a set of 2x4 flat tiles. This is going to finish off the sides nice. And then we can set our speakers right next to our rack system.